What's up guys, Jeremy here, welcome back to my channel. Today is a very awesome day because I bought not one, but two iPhone 12 Pros. And the best part is they're gold.
I love gold.
I bought one obviously for me because I wanted a new iPhone and I have this ancient iPhone 10. But the second one is gonna go to one lucky person watching this video. Yes, that is right, I'm doing my first social media giveaway. It's gonna be on my YouTube channel as well as my Instagram channel, but more on that later on. Let's get started with the purpose of this video and start the unboxing of the new iPhone 12 Pro. Okay, here we have the new iPhone 12 Pro. As you can see, it's still in the plastic, so let's rip this off. Wow, okay, nice sleek case. I really love this black and gold packaging. I just really love black and gold, like that color combination is cool. And I just really love gold, and that's why I got the gold.
I love gold.
So let's open this right here. Oh. Ooh, look at that, wow. I don't know if you can see that, it's kind of auto-focusing, but yeah, wow, okay, cool. Pick that up, ooh, look at that, look at that. Wow. I really love how they brought back these hard edges like the iPhone 5. I saw a funny tweet somewhere that said the iPhone 12 is just like the iPhone 5 that grew up. But we'll put that right there. And here is what's inside. Designed by Apple in California. Can't see that. What's in here? Oh, okay, this is for the SIM card, I'm assuming. And oh, look at that, a sticker. You can always rely on Apple to give you stickers, but yeah, we'll put that there on the side. And here is the new iPhone 12 charger, the iPhone charger. I think it's called USB-C, I believe. But yeah, that's right there. And this is the charger. And that is it, yeah. No adapter, crazy, right? So I'm gonna go over my package right here. You have to buy that separate, which kinda sucks, but whatever. I mean, when you're Apple, you can do whatever you want. You'll have loyal followers. But yeah, so I bought that. That's for the charger. The phone only comes with the wire. But let's get to the phone. Here, as you can see, I don't know if it will. Oh, there you go. Oh, wow. My dirty fingerprints. Gosh. But here's the new phone. Here's the back. Wow. This is so nice. Look at that. 3 lenses. Oh, man. I'm smudging this up so bad. But yeah, let's open this bad boy. Look at that, and I didn't even get a case. Man, I totally forgot. Oh, I hope I don't screw this up, but that is pretty much the phone right there. And then I'm assuming, I don't know what that's for, but you know, I'm not really a techie guy. I just really love Apple. I love iPhones. If you're a Droid person, I'm sorry. We'll do a comparison with the iPhone 12, and then this is my iPhone 10. So the reason why I didn't get a iPhone 12 Pro Max is because my girlfriend has an iPhone 11 Pro Max, and it's just like way too big. It's like that much bigger. Like it's way too big, and I figured like I like this already, so I'm just gonna get the 12 Pro. But ooh, wow. I don't know if you can see it, but the back is really, it's like a matte kind of finish versus the 10 where it's like a glossy finish. You can't really see that, but yeah, this is my second unboxing video, so bear with me. But yeah, that is the difference. Zoom out a little. little, oh, no. So there you go. Oh, there you go, you can see it like that now. But that is the finish of the back of the iPhone 12 Pro. And this is the 10. But yeah, don't mind that. That's just my background. So I'm actually gonna go on Apple's website and bring up the 12 Pro, the specs. So here's just a bunch of specs. Up to 50% faster CPU, GPU than any other smartphone. 11.8 billion transistors. I mean, like, does anyone really count that? I don't think they really count all of it, but I don't know. First 5 nanometer chip in the industry, up to 80% faster, blah, 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 16 core, up to 70% faster. All of that special stuff, scanner, yeah. Whoa, that was cool. And of course, the most important part of the phone is the camera. For all you Instagram people out there, it has a wide camera. Okay, cool. A bunch of new stuff, new tech. So yeah, that's pretty much it with the iPhone 12 Pro. I mean, I wasn't really expecting much. Like, Apple comes out with the new iPhone all the time, but you know, it's just really cool to have because I had the 10 since like 2017. So I was really stoked for the new iPhone 12 Pro. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's talk about the contest. All right, so this is what you gotta do in order to enter for a chance to win a free iPhone 12 Pro. First, in order to be eligible, you need to be 1, following me on my Instagram, and 2, you need to be subscribed to my YouTube channel. If I pick you at the end and you're not subscribed or following me on my Instagram, I'm gonna skip you and choose the next person. So once you do that, I'm gonna post this picture on my Instagram, and all you have to do is share that and put it on your story. Once you do that, all you have to do is comment a friend in the post. Each comment is 1 entry. Another way to enter is if you comment on my YouTube video about this unboxing video. 1 comment is also 1 entry. The awesome part is you have unlimited entries. You can do this as many times as you want, and I'll be announcing the winner on Thanksgiving at 12 p.m. Hawaii Standard Time. So thank you and good luck to all of you guys participating.